Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing some Hanes 2-pack of Tagless T-shirts. But what's special is this is Supreme brand. So it's Hanes X Supreme. This is what the packaging looks like. And this color obviously is bright and it is fluorescent yellow. Matches the boxer briefs that I got in my other video. So gotta have the whole fit of fluorescent yellow, you know? All right, here we go. Let's see how these look like in real life for you all. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Wow. Look at this. This color pops. Perfect for summer. Where's the Supreme logo? Let's see. There it is. Cool red Supreme logo on the bottom left of the shirt. This is a dope color for the summer. I will wear it with my matching boxer briefs and might have more fluorescent yellow Hanes X Supreme stuff to unbox coming up very shortly. So subscribe for more random unboxing videos and let me know what you guys think of this color in the comment section below. All right, that's pretty much it. It's a regular Hanes crew neck. Feels like, you know, the regular Comfort Soft shirts. I have these in white and black. This is just a way fresher color. All right, everyone, hope you're doing well. I will see you all in the next video. Later.